देखो, I'll start this video by acknowledging and admitting इतना अजीब टाइम होता है ना 20s. You'll hear people saying, oh, these are the best days of your life, ये दिन वापस नहीं आते, enjoy them, live them to the fullest. And then you'll hear the very next person saying, work it up, sacrifice everything, sacrifice it all, build for a better life in your 30s and beyond. So fucking confusing. So I want to share with you today 9 harsh truths that took me from being a failed college student to today making 4-5 lakh rupees a month on average, living my dream life. Point number 2 and point number 6 in particular are the exact reason why most people end up regretting things in their 30s and 40s and beyond. Make sure you don't miss those. See, it's so easy to end up with regret. The man who sacrificed his entire 20s reaches 30 and is a millionaire now, but is depressed, lonely, hates his life, and regrets his 20s. On the other hand, a man who prioritized family and friends and loved ones and finds a beautiful girl, gets married to her, has a daughter by the age of 30, now has to see his daughter grow up while being at work every day because he didn't build for anything beforehand. So हर दिन काम पे है, he's seeing his daughter grow up, he knows he's never going to be able to give her the life he wants her to have, and he regrets it as well. So क्या करें? How do we balance these things? How do we come out on the other side with a happy life? That's exactly what we're going to try to figure out today. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sehaj और मैं एक life coach हूँ. I offer one-on-one coaching to successful people and I help them scale to even greater heights, and I make content to help even those who can't directly afford my one-on-one services. Back to the video, starting with the hardest truth to swallow. अगर तुम मेरे छोटे भाई होते, मैं तुम्हें लाइफ का ये कड़वा सच बताता that as a man you have no inherent value. लड़कियां पैदा होती हैं with value. They, by the time they become teenagers, they see everyone staring and looking at them and putting them on a pedestal. But as a man, you're born with zero. And it can be so disheartening and can be heartbreaking to see that no one cares about you and that you have no value. But here's the point: to understand, it doesn't have to stay that way. As a man, you choose the value and the level that you end up with by building it out. You build your confidence, your status, your financial game, your speech and your speaking skills, your influence, your persuasion, your social skills, your everything. The world is yours for the taking. As a man, it's up to you to choose to actually take what you want. Think of it like a video game. You start out at level 1 with no skills, no traits, no stats, but then as you put in the time and effort and energy, you level all of these things up, you level yourself up. But here's the thing most people don't understand about this process, about this stage. We think that we have time, but you really, really don't. And that brings me to harsh truth number 2, the gap widens. देखो, till school, till college ना, वो effort और consequences का concept हमें समझ ही नहीं आता, because जो topper भी है और जो last भी आ रहा है, दोनों ने first year से second year जाना है, second year से third year जाना है, you don't really see that difference. But by the time you turn 25, it is crystal fucking clear who's been putting in the work and who's not. Early on, you don't put in the effort, you don't see much of a difference. So it's very easy to 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 be easy about all of this and to not to worry too much about progress and improving and becoming someone. But then that gap widens. Harsh truth number 2, the gap widens fast. देखो, till the end, till school and till college ना, we live in a bubble कि कोई consequences नहीं है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, जो टॉपर भी है और जो कोई लास्ट भी जो आ रहा है, both go from first year to second year to third year. स्कूल में भी ऐसे एक एक साल आगे बढ़ते रहते थे. You don't really see a difference till the end of college. Till the age of around 21, you're all over here, चाहे जो कितनी भी मेहनत लगा रहा है, नहीं लगा रहा. So this concept of efforts and consequences never really sets in. The moment you get out of college is when you can get when you get into real life, and that's where the gap starts to widen so fast that it's unbelievable. To share with you an example, recently स्कूल के एक दोस्त को मैं मिला था, बड़ा गुड लुकिंग हुआ करता था स्कूल में. तो मैं उस वक्त मोटा सा था, गोल सी शक्ल थी, बड़ा बड़ा गंदा हाल हो गया था, मोटू निकनेम हो गया था मेरा स्कूल में. Today he is obese and I am in the best shape of my life. I go out, कहीं ग्रोसरी स्टोर चले जाऊँ, कहीं भी चले जाऊँ, एक फिटिंग टी शर्ट पहन के, I see people staring at my body. एक celebrity effect, celebrity feeling आती है. People stare at him as well, but for very different reasons. मोटा हो गया है, he's just he feels ashamed of how he looks. He was sharing all of this with me. 30,000 की job है उसकी. He makes 30,000 rupees a month. I'm over here making 4-5 lakh rupees a month. I don't say these things to flex myself or to bring him down, but just to share with you the perspective, man. I have the most beautiful, most feminine girlfriend who adds to my life and who's a good source of motivation and energy and positivity and warmth and love for me. He's at a point जहाँ उससे अब लड़कियों से बात ही नहीं करी जाती. He has this fear that has become ingrained in him regarding women. So body, money, women, confidence. When I was with him, I was sat back in my seat comfortably, confidently, speaking loudly, not caring if people around were being able to hear us, communicating with the waiter. And when he decided what he wanted to eat, he told it to me and I said it to the waiter. Every single aspect. And by the way, again, to give you perspective, this is when we are 25 years old today. Imagine where the gap will be and what the difference will be like at 30, 35 and beyond if he doesn't turn things around. That is why I say you don't have time to waste, man. Now you're thinking, okay, Saj, I get it. I need to work hard. I need to build my value. I need to not waste my time. But say, despite knowing all of these things, there still is one specific mindset problem that most people have, that despite working hard, despite thinking that they're on the right path, they still fall short. And that brings me to harsh truth number 3. You need to stand out. When I went into college, मुझे याद है, पता था कि यार, कि smoking is bad for you, ज़्यादा पीना नहीं चाहिए, all of that. But I remember literally the thought in my mind being, यार सब तो कर रहे हैं, क्या problem है, क्या ही है, सब कर रहे हैं, कर लेते हैं. What you need to realize is that statistically, not one person that you know in real life is going to end up with the life that you want for yourself. Not one person that you know is gonna build the dream life that you have in your mind. कॉलेज के शुरू में जब मैंने ये सब चीज़ें शुरू की, जब पीना शुरू किया, स्मोकिंग शुरू की, if I could have seen how all of these friends of mine who were smoking and drinking have ended up just 5 years later. Not even talking about 30 पे क्या हाल होने वाला है उनका, 35 पे, 40 पे. By 25 उनका जो हाल है, उस शक्लें सूजी हुई हैं यार सबकी. The inflammation on their face and how ugly they've gotten is so visible. एंड बाल सबके खराब हो चुके हैं, रिंकल्स आ रहे हैं मुंह पे. बाय 25 years into it, it's so clear, it's so evident who was drinking and smoking every day these past years and who wasn't. And if I could have seen this, I would have made very different choices. So my entire mindset flipped. It went from this hesitation जो पहले होती थी, यार ये तो कोई भी नहीं कर रहा, there has to be something wrong with this, to today अगर मैं कोई कोई न्यू आइडिया, कोई न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट, कोई न्यू कुछ तरीका इम्प्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश करूँ एंड आई सी के पहले ही काफ़ी लोग कर रहे हैं, अब हेजिटेशन होती है कि यार ये तो बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं पहले ही, देयर हैज़ टू बी समथिंग रॉन्ग विद दिस. फ्रॉम के ये तो कि फ्रॉम द आइडिया दैट दैट व्हाट एवरीवन इज डूइंग इज राइट, to realizing that what everyone is doing is always wrong. There is this statistic that the average American is obese, divorced, and depressed with less than $1,000 in the bank. You do what everyone does, you'll get the results that everyone gets. So you have to make yourself stand out. हर चीज opposite करो जो कोई नहीं कर रहा, वो चीजें करो, so that you can get if you want extraordinary results, you have to do extraordinary things. To share with you my example, not pushing you to do this exact same thing. I go to bed at 7:30 p.m. most nights. I wake up at 4:30 a.m. most mornings. By 9:30 a.m. I have finished my work on one of my businesses for the entire day. By 9:30, by the time that most people are clocking into their job, I have finished my work on one of my businesses. One example. Right, I don't have breakfast. I fast till like 12 p.m. till like 1 p.m. 100 more things I could share with you about what I do that's so different from what everyone does. And as a result, the results that I get, the outcomes that I get are so different and so out of the ordinary from what everyone gets. Now, standing out sounds great in theory, but here's the problem no one talks about. When you stand out, it gets lonely. Yeah, it gets fucking lonely. And that loneliness, most people are not able to handle it, and they break and then they go back to being average. And that's what will happen with you unless you understand this next harsh truth. Harsh truth number 4, parent yourself. Because throughout our childhood, we do things that we don't want to do, the things that we absolutely hate doing. Why? Because our parents make us do them. And then 10, 15, 20 years down the line, we look back at those days and say that, oh, those were the best days of our lives. Kyun? Kyunki you were doing what you were supposed to do. And that brought about that fulfillment and that happiness and that joy. बट व्हेन यू ग्रो अप देयर इज नो वन टू पेरेंट यू एनीमोर. पेरेंट्स अगर हैं भी आसपास उनकी सुनते नहीं हो, मोस्ट लाइकली पेरेंट्स से दूर कहीं मूव कर देते हो. सो देन यू हैव नो वन टू टेल यू व्हाट टू डू, no one to make you do what you need to do. So what do? You become your own parent, man. Start to parent yourself, start to make yourself do the things that you know you need to do so that you can become who you are supposed to be. सुबह 7 बजे अलार्म बजा, जिम जाने का प्लान था बट वो बेड से उठने का मन ही नहीं करता तो अलार्म बंद करके वापस सो जाते हो. Of course you feel miserable. Of course you hate life. Of course everything's shit. The only way to not regret life in your 30s and 40s and beyond is to, in your 20s, make yourself do what you know you're supposed to do and what you need to do. अगर मम्मा सुबह 7 बजे उठा रही हो, वो थोड़ी सुनती थी कि अच्छा उठने का मन है कि नहीं, वो उन्होंने उठाना है तो उठा के ही छोड़ना है. वैसे ही now, once you grow up, once you're in your 20s, if you've decided and you've set the alarm for 7 a.m., make yourself get up, not because you want to, but because you're parenting yourself. You're doing what you know is right. Now, parenting yourself is great and sounds good, but there's still there is this concept, this mindset flaw that sabotages even the most disciplined among us. And that brings us to our next harsh truth. Harsh truth number 5: things don't just change. I remember बचपन से ना मेरा रिजॉल्व था, कन्विक्शन थी कि भाई बड़े होके मैंने डॉक्टर बनना है. 9th क्लास में 77% आई. बाकी सब जिन्होंने सोचा था डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बनना है, सबकी 93, 94, 95 से नीचे किसी की थी ही नहीं. फिर भी 9th की एंड तक भी ये परसेंटेज आके भी रिजॉल्व था कि भाई व्हेन इट मैटर्स, जब 10th बोर्ड्स हैं, 12th बोर्ड्स हैं, तब तो करूंगा ही. व्हाट डू यू थिंक हैपेंड? 10th बोर्ड्स में जो मेरे मार्क्स आए उसके बाद दे डिडंट इवन अलाउ मी टू टेक साइंस. दे डिडंट इवन लेट मी कॉमर्स लेनी पड़ी. अब जब चलो कॉमर्स ले ली 11th में, फिर रिजॉल्व कि भाई अब तो देख आई हैव सेटल्ड फॉर कॉमर्स. मैं तो साइंस वाला बंदा था, कॉमर्स ले लिया, अब तो टॉप करके ही छोड़ूंगा. व्हाट डू यू थिंक हैपेंड? 76% इन माय बोर्ड्स. कॉलेज गया तो था ही कि भाई ये तो पूरा थ्रू आउट स्कूल में सब हो गया, अब कॉलेज में तो करना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि कॉलेज के मार्क्स से ही तो फिर जॉब मिलनी है, अच्छी जॉब पकड़नी है, पैसे कमाने हैं. गरीब तो सोच ही नहीं सकता अपने आप को. व्हाट डू यू थिंक हैपेंड? Failed in 3 subjects in college, like progressively got worse through the years instead of improving, simply because ये mindset था अंदर था कि हाँ यार जब ज़रूरत होएगी, when I need to, when it is time, of course I'll show up, of course I'll do all these things. एक बार खुद सोचो. Let me show you how you have this mindset within yourself. When you imagine your 10-year-older self, let's say आज 20 के हो, when you imagine your 30-year-old self, अगर आज 25 के हो, your 35-year-old self, how do you think he's going to be? What if I said to you, he'll be exactly the way you are today, he'll be spending his time and his days exactly the way you are today? If hearing that thought is unsettling for you and makes you cringe and makes you so fucking uncomfortable. I remember, dude, as a 20-year-old, पूरे दिन Instagram पे बैठा होता था, लड़कियों को देख रहा होता था, टाइम पास कर रहा होता था. If I thought at that point कि भाई 30-year-old में भी ये कर रहा होगा, it would have made me die of embarrassment and shame. But the fact of the matter is, KR, unless you change something today, that is almost guaranteed going to be your life. The average 35-year-old today has a wife, has a daughter, but goes into the bathroom every now and then, every few days, and gets himself off to fucking pixels on a screen. The average 35-year-old today has no control over himself. He eats all the junk. He's obese. He's fat. He hates the face that looks back at him every time he looks in the mirror. And odds are, if you're the average 20-year-old today, you're going to be the average 35-year-old in some time. And this is exactly what your life is going to look like. If the thought of that scares you and terrifies you, change needs to be made today. Now, you're probably thinking, all right, Saj, I get it. I need to change. I need to start today. I need to do all of these things. But here's what most people still don't get about this. Change isn't about willpower. Change isn't about motivation. And that brings us to harsh truth number 6. See, हम सबको लगता है freedom means doing what you feel like doing in the moment, right? But एक बार खुद सोचो, stay with me on this or through this thinking experiment. If at the start of the month you'd sat down and you'd planned exactly how you want the month to go, मैं नहीं बोल रहा कि काम इतना सारा करना, ये करना, वो करना, जो तुम जैसे spend करना चाहो करो. If at the start of the month you'd sat down and decided how you want to spend the month, would you have spent it the exact same way as you actually spent this last month? I'm willing to bet money that that's not the case. See, अगर तुम प्लान करो दिन को, you will plan कि अच्छा मैं कहीं बाहर जाऊँ, कुछ दोस्तों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करूँ, कुछ ये करूँ, वो करूँ. I do things and I make things happen along with the work that I do. But you'll see more often than not in real life you just end up falling to your impulses. पूरा दिन फोन पे निकल गया, पता ही नहीं चला दिन निकल गया. At the start of the day would you have wanted कि ऐसे दिन निकल जाए पूरा? Absolutely not. So here's what you do. Plan your day out, man. Plan out your perfect day. How do you want to spend your day? कैसे दिन spend करोगे that at the end of the day you feel कि यार भाई मजा आ गया, क्या दिन था? So that will likely probably include some work and also some, also you going to the gym and meeting some friends and doing things along with your social media time, your YouTube time. अब जो प्लान करते हो, सो नाउ प्लान दिस डे आउट आवर बाय आवर. कितने बजे उठना चाहते हो? बेस्ट डे, बिकॉज़ इफ यू आर प्लानिंग योर डे आउट यू विल प्रोबब्ली, यस यू माइट नॉट से कि मैं सुबह 4 बजे उठना चाहता हूँ, बट यू माइट से कि हाँ यार मैं सुबह 6 बजे 7 बजे तक उठ जाना चाहता हूँ. But now if you don't have a plan, you probably end up waking up at like 9, 10 a.m. if there's no commitments that you have externally. राइट, सो प्लान आउट योर डे. कितने बजे उठना चाहते हो, पहले घंटे क्या करना चाहते हो, फिर क्या करना चाहते हो, फिर क्या करना चाहते हो पूरे दिन के लिए, विद एज मच एंजॉयमेंट एज मच फन टाइम एज यू वांट. And now hold yourself to the work times as well as to the fun times, and don't let your day just fall to your impulses and your in the moment emotions and feelings. Try this for yourself. One of the best ways I've seen to actually build discipline, because this holds you to the fun times as well as to the work times. Make this happen for yourself. Now, discipline, standing out, building value, all of this sounds good, but there's one question that determines whether you actually are becoming a man or you're just playing pretend. And that brings us to harsh truth number 7. अगर कल तुम्हारे पापा को कुछ हो जाए, I know it's a very uncomfortable thing to think about, but एक बार stay with me. अगर कल तुम्हारे पापा को कुछ हो जाए, हॉस्पिटल एडमिट हो जाए, लाखों का बिल आ जाए, काम ना कर पाए अब anymore, I found the best definition of what it means to be a man is to be the rock at your father's funeral. भाई बहन जोर जोर से रो रहे हो, ममा इनकंसोलेबल हो, यू वांट टू बी द शोल्डर फॉर देम टू क्राई ऑन. पापा को मरते दम तक एक एक सुकून हो अंदर के, यार चलो फैमिली के पास कम से कम तुम हो. फैमिली को थ्रू दिस डिफिकल्ट टाइम, थ्रू दैट मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट टाइम, बैक ऑफ द माइंड एक पीस हो, एक शांति हो कि हाँ यार तुम हो उनके लिए. That is what it means to be a man, yaar. And that is one of the greatest, one of the best missions to take upon yourself, that this is the man that I'm trying to become. And on a daily basis, you keep leveling up to become that man. Financially, emotionally, mentally, every which way you want to be in control. Turning 18 doesn't make you a man. Starting to act and behave like a man makes you a man. Taking responsibility for things in life, taking responsibility for your loved ones, for your friends, for the people around you makes you a man. मेड छुट्टी पे हो, तुम जाके बर्तन कर लो ताकि मम्मा को ना करने पड़े. कहीं कहीं कुछ कुछ प्लान बन रहे हैं, तुम प्लान्स बनाओ, तुम डिसाइड करो क्या करने वाले हो जब गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ हो, instead of just leaving everything up to others. Make calls, make decisions, stand by what you decide. That is what makes you a man. The easiest way to make progress over here is to just constantly throughout the day, with every decision, every choice you're making, ask yourself, what would 30-year-old, what would 35-year-old me do in this situation? And make yourself do that. That is how you mature up so much quicker. That is how, even as a 20-year-old, 25-year-old, you can start acting like a 30-year-old, 35-year-old, and gain that maturity, gain that composure, gain that calm, gain that confidence that otherwise only comes with age. Now, as you're following through with all of this, जैसे ये सब सुन रहे हो, इस journey पे आ जाओ and ये transformation करनी शुरू करो, the one thought is inevitable to come into your mind and very likely sabotage all your progress. So that brings us to harsh truth number 8. मुझे याद है जब मैंने अपना पहला YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट किया था. Initially I was so fucking scared so someone I knew would find that channel, because बड़ी गंदी होती थी videos. I would be very awkward, very uncomfortable on camera. बात अच्छे से नहीं करी जाती थी, बहुत insecure था मैं. So डर था ये कि यार कोई someone I know will find out about my channel. And शुरू में काफ़ी टाइम किसी को नहीं पता चलने दिया. But one day I remember I was talking to this one friend. अच्छी लंबी बात हो रही थी, घंटे 2 घंटे बात कर रहे थे. I ended up mentioning to her कि हाँ यार मैंने यूट्यूब चैनल बनाया है, कंटेंट बना रहा हूँ मैं और कर रहा हूँ मैं. It wasn't too hard for her to find my channel. She searched my name, दिख गया उसको channel. She told like 5 more of her friends about it. And I remember that was one of the most terrifying, one of the most scary times of my life, क्योंकि बस हर वीडियो के साथ हर सेकंड that I would be scripting and recording, बस वो डर होता था कि यार वो ये लोग देख रहे होंगे वीडियोस, ये हंसेंगे, मजाक उड़ाएंगे, सोचेंगे वो क्या कर रहा है, and you know they like ये शर्म आएगी मेरे को, and शर्म आ रही थी through all of this. And I remember a few months in, I'm talking to one of those people, one of her friends, एंड शी मेंशन्स टू मी, शी इज़ लाइक, "ओह यार सैड, सॉरी मैं इतने टाइम से तेरी कोई वीडियो ही नहीं देख पाई, मैं बिज़ी हो गई थी बहुत ही, मेरा काम आ गया था।" एंड इन दैट मोमेंट आई रियलाइज्ड everyone's so busy with themselves. No one has the fucking time to think about you or to care about you or any of that. And it can sound sad, but it's so freeing, it's so liberating that no one cares, dude. You do what you want to. अभी इस पिछले साल में have gotten a good amount of success. पहली बार इंस्टाग्राम ये 3 साल मेहनत लगाने के बाद भी इंस्टाग्राम ब्लो अप हो गया. And my videos, my reels started showing up on so many of my friends' feeds automatically, organically. They were scrolling through their reels, उनको मेरी एक दिख गई. They were so blown away. मेरे को मैसेज आई कि भाई सहज, like स्कूल के दोस्त जिनसे 10 साल से बात नहीं हुई थी, कॉलेज के दोस्त, anyone and everyone I knew, I got dozens of messages of people saying, सहज पता ही नहीं था भाई तू कंटेंट बना रहा है, तो I loved this video you made, I just came across this and शुरू में लगा ये शक्ल जानी पहचानी लग रही है, and I recognized you and I'm so happy, I'm so proud, good on you, all of that. But like, even that, as good as that was, within a few weeks, everyone forgot and they moved on with their lives. There's just like 5 of them today who still watch my videos regularly. So baat samjho, whether you're winning or you're losing, whether you're doing good or you're doing bad, no one fucking cares, man. It's all for you. And that's freeing, that's liberating. यार, I could do anything and it doesn't matter. No one cares. I just should do what I want to do, what I feel like doing. That is